Question number 4. Sum of two numbers is 95. If one exceeds the other by 15, find the numbers. Okay. So here sum of two numbers. That means one number is not given. Okay. So first we should take let a number be. Let a number be x. That means one number. Okay. Or you can write let first number be x. Okay. Then if one exceeds the other by 15, exceeds means plus, you should take plus 15. Okay. So next number exceeds the other by 15. That means how we should write here? X plus 15. This is equal to x plus 15. Okay. Number exceeds the other by 15. Other number is x here. Then, so how to write here? X plus 15. So first number is x. Second number it become x plus 15. Okay. Now here sum of two numbers is 95. Sum of two numbers. That means we should add these two numbers. So x plus 15 is equal to 95. Okay. Then x plus x 2x plus 15. This is equal to 95. Plus 15 you should take to right hand side. Become minus 2x is equal to 95 minus 15. 5 minus 5 0. 9 minus 1 8. So this is equal to, now 2x is equal to 80. 2 you should take to RH side, it goes to denominator. So x is equal to 80 divided by 2. Now reduce it to 1s are to 40s are. So here a number be x means first number. Okay. First number is, that is x is equal to 40. Second number is x plus 15. So this is equal to 40 plus 15. So this is equal to 55. Okay. Question number 5. Two numbers are in the ratio 5:3. If they differ by 18, what are the numbers? Okay. When it is given in the ratio, so first we should take, let the common ratio between that two numbers are be x. Okay. Let the common ratio between two numbers is x you should take. Okay. When it is given in ratio, you should take common ratio between the two numbers is x. Now here 5 is there. Okay. So therefore the first number will be 5x. The first number will be 5 here, so you should write 5x. And second number will be 3x. Okay. Now, according to the question, if they differ by 18, what are the numbers? Differ means subtract. Okay. Now 5x minus 3x is equal to 18. 5x minus 3x, 2x. So this is equal to 18. So 2 you should take to RHS side. It goes to denominator. So x is equal to 18 by 2. 2 1s are 2 9s are 18. X is equal to, we got 9. So first number, what is the first number? First number is 5x, 5 into 9. 5 9s are 45. Then second number is, what is the second number here? 3x. So 3 into 9. 9 3s are 27. So first number is here 45. Second number is 27. Now come to the point. Question number 6. 3 consecutive integers add up to 51. What are these integers? 3 consecutive integers means continuous integers. For example, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then can take any number, but it should be continuous numbers. 3 continuous numbers. 4, 5, 6, so on. Okay. We don't know what are those consecutive numbers. So here we should take the 3 consecutive numbers be. Let 3 consecutive numbers or integers. Okay, both are same. Let 3 consecutive integers be x, then x plus 1 and x plus 2. Okay, why we should take like this? Suppose x is equal to 1. Next 1 plus 1 it become 2. Next 1 plus 2 it become 3. So here 1, 2, 3 are the consecutive integers. Now we know what is the value of x. Okay, now we should find the value of x. Then we should find x, x plus 1 and x plus 2. Then according to the question, what is given here? 3 consecutive integers add up to 51. Add up, that means add all the 3 consecutive numbers, that is equal to 51. So here, so x plus 1 plus x plus 2, then this is equal to 51. Then x how many times here? 3 times. 3x plus 1 plus 2, 3. So this is equal to 51. Then 3 you should take to RHS side, right hand side. So 3x, this is equal to 51 minus 3. Okay, so 51 minus 3, so that is equal to 48. Okay, then x is equal to 48 divided by 3. Reduce it. 3 1s are 3. 1 remainder, 3 6 are 18. That means therefore here x is equal to 16. So here what is the first number here? X. X is equal to 16 we got. Second number x plus 1. 16 plus 1. So this is equal to 17. Then x plus 2. 16 plus 2. This is equal to 18. So therefore 3 consecutive integers are 16, 17 and 18. 16, 17 and 18.